cruisers! Welcome back to Cruise Dude! Today we're working on the Explorer once again, my massive cruise ship that I've been planning for months. We're gonna continue building it, hopefully get more creativity in today, not just staterooms, and do a bunch of other stuff. If you guys haven't watched me before, hello, my name's Cruise Dude, as I already mentioned, and you should check out my other videos, especially the other ones about building this ship, like this water slide, right here. Now before we continue, I'm not sure if I have anything else. Oh yeah, right, as some of you know, Mario Kart Champions Finals are coming out, and we need you guys to vote. So I put out a poll to vote for what tracks you guys want in the finals and semifinals. If you guys don't know what that is either, I put an explanation in the poll, and it only limits me to 4 options. So I made 2 polls to where you guys can vote on 7 options, 2 of the 7 options. So I guess it's time to start. Maybe we should just listen to the Love a Chicken for a minute. You guys skipped that part. One more announcement is that in the descriptions of all of the Cruise and Mario Kart Champions videos, you can skip ahead to the parts you want. So if you don't want to watch the staterooms, but you want to watch me build a restaurant, just click the time listed in the description. It'll skip right to it. Alright, this has been the longest intro of 3 minutes. Hooray!
3 minutes!
Oh, Hardy's here. Again. Hello, Hardy.
Hi, Christy.
If we can just get Hardy here in a sec. There we go. Hello, Hardy. How are you doing?
Good.
Alright. Well, I guess it's finally time to start. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. done today. We got a lot of the ship finished. We got basically all the staterooms done. We're gonna start the top deck next week, which is actually insane because we started the top deck on episode 2 last time. Next week is episode 5. Anyways, I have already set the ship's christening date, and it will be May 2nd. I will release a video on it at least on May 2nd, and it will be really cool. So, I guess there's not much else to say, so let's get epic.